Hi, it's Yvonne here. I hope you can hear me. I have the fans currently going here, or fan going here in my closet because I wanted to come on from this quick little video. But if you don't follow me, my name is Yvonne. I go to the Goodwill outlet bins. I go yard selling, thrift stores, etc. I look for items to resell or keep. Usually if I'm reselling anything, which is usually a handbag and accessory, I am under at the Girl on Poshmark and on eBay, so make sure you follow me on there. And you want to join Poshmark, just use my referral link down below. I have a link down below. I think I get like $5 and you get like 10 or vice versa. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I think we each get $5. If you join with my link, you don't have to, but yeah. Also, you can just type in my name, the Girl, and I think I get the $5 or whatever they give now. I'm not even sure if they do that anymore, but I know there's some kind of referral program. I am an ambassador on there, so that is why. Also, you can follow me on Instagram under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate. If you don't already, follow me on there also. But today I'm coming at you with a quick little sample freebie, because that is something that I also love to get, is samples in the mail. This is something that I actively like to look for. I get them to sponsored ads. I've had a lot of videos that I already filmed and posted on my channel, so go look at those. And let's jump into what I got. I'm just gonna like put the phone here. I know you're gonna see darkness, I'm so sorry, but yeah, you're probably gonna see darkness because this is gonna be crazy. But here I am, I'm still here, just letting you know I'm still here. This is what I got. I got a little envelope. Let me show you. This is what I got. I got an envelope. Can you see it? Okay. I would put something in front of this, but it won't stay, so we're just gonna like angle it down again, and then I'll show you right now what I got. I hope everybody's doing well with this hot weather. I live in Texas, we get very hot weather. And so this is what I got. Let's see, let's get it out. This was through a sponsored ad. And here it is. This is the Bulgari Le Gem Tiger Eau de Perfume. I'm guessing this is a woman's. I don't remember if it's a woman's or a man's, but I think it's a woman's. Let's see. It says astonishingly contrasting ambery citrus blend with accords of radiant grapefruit and abundant amber. Ambrox? Okay, I don't even know what that is, but okay. I don't know if you can read that. Can you read that? There you go. I'll just leave it here if you want to read it, but yeah. So, I will say it smells really nicely. This is what the bottle looks like. Super nice bottle, very sleek. And there you go. There's the inspiration for it if you want to see that. And yeah, well, that's the video. Just a really short one. And I hope you like my nail polish. This is the SC polish that they sent me recently. So yeah, I just posted a video on it. It's okay. It is chipping, as you see there already. But I have been washing dishes and it, oh god, I can't even bend my hands. They hurt. Already sucks. But yeah, okay, so if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and I'll get you in the next one. Adios. Bye.